Hey, what the hell did the couches went to the basement? It was just this dude to protest. I don't know what the hell is happening over here in Interchange Hospital. I don't actually know. And now, it's service area explore time. Let's get started. There's nothing behind these doors. I just only have an explores. Behind there, I did know that there was just only used that to be a machine. And now, this is the area where the lifts go. This is the machine of the lifts that goes from basement to floor 50. The lift machine was used to be in floor 60, but is now translated to floor 51. This is the lift machine for the freight lift, for the freight bed lift. It says, danger, inertially suppressed perimeter, lift machine room. Close and lock this door. And this is the machine of a lift that goes from first floor, or 6th floor, 15th floor, and all of the way up to floor 30. And I didn't know what was behind the door. This door. That door used to be on all floors. I don't know what was behind that door. Let's open there. Nothing. Air. Whether it is going to be used a stereo area to have some gravity, not just used to be this scrap. I really hate being this scrap. It makes it run out of oxygen and you could die. Anyways, now to the next service lifts. But they have mine cabs. This is a creepy. First, let's go to 13th floor. I don't know if these lifts have doors.
30th floor.
Let's have a test of the 31st floor. That's the voice saying 31st floor. Let's get back inside the lift.
First floor. Going down. First floor. Going down.
I'm very sad that the couches are gone. This is very disappointing. The couches are being gone forever. Well, in the inner passing building, the couches is still inside there. That is very great. Not to be very disappointed. The level 1 of couches is not be clear. And now it's escalated 7 times. First we have the second floor. The couches on floor 1 are gone. And now so level 1 of couches is ruined. And now second level, time to connect couches. If you want to push a big couch, then you must push the button of jump. But there's no rotating. That's the controls if you want to push a big couch. Then if you want to push a little couch, then you have to mash the up button. So, got that? Oh, and when I was with Erica, Zara, and Annabelle, yes, John Bruno, I draw for Gage Williams and Lily that he has to create a meta creator. He'll do it after he comes back home from church, because he was gone to church. And also he's gonna post it on the Skyscraper Simulator forum. So I'm gonna be very excited. His building is gonna be very exciting. I really want to know. Are the couch connected yet? Yes! Next couches, please. I don't know where is the protest gonna start. The sky's still very night. Oh, the couch. Stupid couch. Now I want to push you. Push, 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 push. Push right now, you stupid couch. It's this couch. Very complicated, very disappointing. So disappointing. I didn't believe that this is very complicated to push a couch. Are they yet? Yes! No! The sky is getting day! Let's send it back to night! The protest is to be in night. This is so disappointing. And now, let's go to the third floor. Now the couches are there. There are now 2 couches. It's connection time. Wait a moment. There were actually 4 couches. The other 4 couches are gone. Now it's level 3. Is this yet? Let's see. No. Let's continue. Are they yet? Yes! Level 3 cleared. And now, let's go to level 4. Which is 4th floor. I don't know if the last escalated floor is the actual last floor of escalators is 6. The other 2 couches are gone also in floor 4. I didn't actually know. And now it's the level 4 time. Are they yet? Yes! Level 4 cleared. And now, let's go to level 5, which is also known as floor 5. Floor 5 is the last floor of the escalators. Let's go up to level 5, which is 5th. So disappointing. And now, let's do level 5, which is the final level. Are they yet? Nope. Let's try again. Let's see. Yes, they are. Level 6 cleared. I won a coin. And now, let's get back to the lifts. What lift should I ride? The lifts from basement to floor 15. Or the bed lift. Well, I decided to ride the lifts from basement to floor 15.
Fifth floor. Going down. First floor. Going down.
Hey, the couches are now. Hey! The couches just went to the car park. 3 couches in the car park? It's very kind of weird. The couches are not in car parks. You need to agree with me. Couches are not in car parks. Let's get back up. I hope this guy is not getting die. I want to have the protest at night. Well, it is great to still have the sky night. I hope the protest. And now into Enough Passion Building and into the lifts there. There are some very nice OT Series 1. But the couches are also like that.